Most reviews on ProDentim tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does. So I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the ingredients, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with tooth decay and bad breath. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address the surface symptoms, not the real reason it keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, brushing twice a day with chemical pastes, and still dealing with bleeding gums or yellow teeth, that's the gap ProDentim is designed for. When I broke down how ProDentim actually works, it targets your mouth's root-level microbiome directly, not just scrubbing the surface. That's the distinction that matters. Most toothpastes and mouthwashes work at the symptom level by killing all bacteria, even the good kind, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, repopulating your mouth with 3.5 billion good bacteria, more targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, 3.5 billion probiotics, like Lactobacillus Paracasei. This is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses gum inflammation and even clears your sinuses. Malic acid from strawberries. I hadn't seen this formulated this way in this category before. It naturally whitens teeth without harsh bleaches. Inulin. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. It acts as food for the good bacteria so they survive and multiply. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early phase, week 1 to 2, most people notice a cleaner mouth and fresher breath. Midterm shift, that tends to build into visibly whiter teeth and calm pink gums with consistency. Long-term impact, building a bulletproof oral ecosystem so you stop dreading the dentist. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Just chew 1 tablet a day. Fits into a daily morning routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 4 to 8 weeks. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. ProDentim comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation, and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Quick flag. If you grab the 6-bottle bundle, they include free shipping and 3 bonus guides for natural teeth whitening and breath detox. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. That's the full matrix on ProDentim. Mechanism checked, features broken down, risk assessed. The call is yours.